Ready to level up your money game? Let's talk about zero-based budgeting, the method where every dollar gets a job. It sounds intense, but it's actually super simple. With zero-based budgeting, your income minus your expenses should equal, yep, zero. This doesn't mean you have $0. It means you've told every dollar where to go. Nothing just floats around. Start with your income, then assign every dollar to something. Bills, savings, fun, food, debt, even that occasional pizza night. If you make $2,500, then $2,500 needs to be fully allocated, on paper or in your budgeting app, before the month begins. Zero-based budgeting gives you control. Instead of asking, where did my money go? You're saying, I already gave it a mission. Want to get even better at budgeting? Check out our Financial Education Center on our website. From zero-based budgeting to smart saving tips, it's everything you need to take charge of your money with confidence. Next up, weekly expense tracking made easy, because your money deserves attention, not guesswork.